Salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman. This is StereoPHX 888 coming with love from AZ. I'm not here to save you. I'm just here to share with you how I'm saving myself. These are the gems, techniques, and methods I've uncovered to go from low vibe to high vibe. And basically, my story is one of self-destruction. And I found solace in introverting into different things because it's all about an internal solution, you know. Right now I've been basically building this studio from the ground up with my hands, my own two hands, building it from the bottom up. So I just want to kind of give you guys a little glimpse into that and imagine. I want you to imagine the amount of effort it's taken me, because it's been, you know, I just have the basic skills and it's been nothing but improvisation the whole time, troubleshooting the whole time. And but yeah, let's give you a little tour, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now, what I'm adding right now real quick before I do that. So what I'm doing is I have these pieces here, these arch pieces, and I got these in the trash behind me. There's some businesses that throw away all sorts of materials behind me. This is where I got these. So I'm attaching them up top. I've already got one in place here. And see, this is something that you can do. You know, I'm doing it's getting me instant gratification and the long term. But the idea is like manifestation, man. You think it's all about aligning with the feeling and the thoughts and the imagination. So I've imagined this. I had feelings at different times where I needed different materials, and they basically came to me. So I've got this thing here. How am I going to put it up top? Simple. On the bottom, just attach a piece of wood. Yeah. So let me go turn off this other music over there so I don't get any type of copyright thing on my Thug Dizzle. In the meantime, I'm going to take you guys with me. Bring you, let me see. My channel is all about going from low vibe to high vibe. So one technique I've uncovered through my studies is that whatever you think during the day, whatever I think during the day is a practice I put in place. I try to feel good about it. No, I don't try, I do. I feel good about everything I think about. You know what I'm saying? So that way, I don't sit and lag and not do what I need to do. I actually get it done, and it starts to actually manifest. So hold on 1 second. And go up here. See, I got the pin. You'll see. Just gonna place it up here. Have to see what it looks like. What do you think? Well, you can't even see it, so give you guys a view of that. Let's see. What do you think? Should I have that there like that? Or should I put it over this, whatever you call this? let's give that a look. Let's give that a gander as well. And then I want you to hit me in the comments and let me know what you think. I think it's obvious that it should go right there. Yes, it's so bright you can't even see it. Alright, let me get you from over here. There we go. What do you think? Looks cool right there. Alright, let me see. Let me get you from far away. How about that? Let's get a view from far away. It's very, it's slight accent. Yeah, I think that's where it's got to go. See, you guys can't really see it, unfortunately. Maybe if I go even farther away. The giant bougainvillea, there it is. Well, fuck, this isn't working. But alright, so you can see this entire structure, man. I built it from the ground up. let's see. Let's get over here so I can show you guys some stuff I've done, some detail, some piecework I've done that's added a lot of flavor to it. If you notice, simple things like that up there. But hold on, let me pause this so I don't get a copyright issue. Alright, here we go. Now, I got you on the inside. I'm going to take you up. Basically, what's going on right here is I'm actually putting a shower. And it's going to have a separate water heater tank. So the shower can be in this area. Before I take you inside, I want to show you this piecework I've done on the outside. Look at this. Look at this, how it goes. There's like a ledge right there for a solar light. Like, this is really cool. There you go. See that? See all this? You see the way it looks with the lines and stuff and all that. That's the work, the detail, aesthetic work that I've done. And you see over here, this is all for my cat. My cat's entrance, my cat door is right there. Alright, so look, now you can see there it is over there. I was thinking about I have a third one, it's gonna go right here. Okay, now. So, I want you to know, for the installation of this, I actually have 6 inches or at least the width of a pallet, plus another wall full of insulation. And I've taken measures, you know what I'm saying, to make sure we're good. So let's go on the inside here. You guys can get a better idea. Kind of dark, can you see? Okay, cool. So, boom. This is already a lot of the work inside is done. So this is actually be pretty fun and breezy now doing this portion. You know, I've got the paneling now, you know, to do it proper. Now you can see that window, you know, and there's a window right here as well. Oh man, this has been, I can't tell you, man, it just feels so amazing. And my father was an architect, and he passed away when I was 19. And he had all the knowledge and know how to do these type of things. But yesterday I reflected and said, it's so crazy that even though he's been gone all these years, it's like I still acquired his attributes. You know, it's not just about the ability to do construction. It's about the design, the creativity in the design. I have this door here because I do know finished carpentry and doors and stuff. This door will be here, which will open to the shower, right? This wall, that space right there, I'm gonna cut that open, boom, so it flows, so we go right through. I'm gonna have a bathroom in here, a toilet in here, and it's going to be a compost toilet. And what I'm thinking is we need to make this solar powered. Right now it's powered by the house, but just on an extension cord or two. And I have them, it's been like this for quite a while. But I'm thinking, yo, what would be really cool is if this was solar powered and it could stand alone, even if the power went down. That's my goal with it. So, yeah, you guys get an idea right there, you know, inspiration. Because if you can see it in your mind and imagine it, that's all it takes. That's all it takes, yo. Things will come to you. You will attract what you need, the opportunities, the people, places, and things. Once again, this is Michael J, the Southwest Shaman, with nothing but love coming from AZ. Peace. Like and subscribe for the gems, yo.